There are 3 problems that are destroying your chances at a $50,000 credit limit right now. Problem number 1, every time you apply for a credit union, they run a hard inquiry, right?
Yes.
Navy Federal runs a hard inquiry. That dings your credit. Problem number 2, Navy Federal requires military affiliation. You have to be active duty, retired military, a veteran, or have an immediate family member. If you're not, guess what? You can't join. Problem number 3, a lot of credit unions say you have to live in a certain state or you have to work for a certain employer. Guess what? You locked out again.
So you're stuck with Navy Federal, paying their fees, getting their low limits, and taking whatever they give you.
All right, today we found 3 credit unions that solve all 3 of those problems.
Yes.
Soft pulls instead of hard inquiries on their pre-qualifications. Truly, anyone can join. No military required. No specific employer required. No geographic restriction. And we're talking about $50,000 credit limits.
So, Money Magnet, stick around. The third one on this list can change the game for you. Let's start with Connexus. This is the one that solves the inquiry problem that you may be having.
Yeah.
When you apply for the Connexus card, they do a soft pull, not a hard inquiry. Your score doesn't move, and they pull TransUnion.
All right, Gloria. So how do you actually join, and what do you have to do to join this credit union?
Okay, so actually $5 one-time donation to the Connexus Association. That's it. You're in, and guess what? You own one piece of the credit union now, Money Magnets.
All right, I need you guys writing this down. Gloria, what's the credit limit?
Up to $50,000 on their signature credit card. And that's what makes it better than Navy Federal, Money Magnets. There's no annual fee, no foreign transaction fees, and the APR is competitive. You're not getting gouged.
All right, what about the personal products? Do they have checking, savings, or maybe even personal loans?
Yes, they do. Free checking account, high yield savings. They're paying you interest actually worth having, Money Magnets. Yeah. Personal loans up to $25,000. They have a fixed rate. And because it's a soft pull process, you don't get that ding every time you apply.
All right, so if someone has a thin credit file or a couple of dings on their credit, Connexus is the move because the soft pull doesn't hurt them any further. But remember, if you do get approved, they are going to do a hard pull.
Exactly, Marvin. And they're available in all 50 states, no geographic limitations.
Look, if you've been denied at Navy Federal in the last 2 years, drop the word ready in the comments right now. That tells us you're serious. And guess what? Don't forget to subscribe. A lot of you guys are not subscribed.
Okay, and smash that like button. When you like this video, the algorithm knows to show it to more people who actually need it.
All right, Glo, let's keep it moving because I don't want anybody going away.
Now, let's talk about Alliant. This is one that solves employee restriction problems. You don't need to work for anyone. You don't need a military background. You just need $5, Money Magnets, to join the Alliant Credit Union Foundation.
All right, Gloria, are you absolutely sure about this? This almost sounds too good to be true.
Yes, Marvin, I'm talking $5 donation to the Alliant Credit Union Foundation. Same door opener as Connexus, but here's where Alliant gets a little weird.
Okay.
They're also giving you something Navy would never dream of.
All right, come on, Glo, let it out. What is that?
They're paying you to bank with them, Money Magnets.
Okay.
Their checking account earns 3.5% APY. Okay. That right there can be a cash flow changer.
Yeah.
Their saving earns north of that. Navy Federal's checking 0.0%. You're literally getting paid 350 times more interest at Alliant.
So are you serious? You're going to get 350 times more by choosing a better credit union?
Yes, Marvin, that's what I'm saying. The credit card limit goes up to $50,000 on the Visa signature. No annual fees.
Okay.
No foreign transaction fees. APR is lower than Navy Federal, but the real play is the checking account. Yeah. You park your money there and it actually grows.
All right, Glo, what else is it? Is there any more with this credit union?
Okay, let me dive into this, okay? So they have personal loans with the APR that starts at 6%. Navy Federal is 8 to 18%, Money Magnets.
Right.
You're saving money on the interest alone, okay?
Yeah.
They also have auto products, home equity lines, the whole suite, Money Magnets. So don't sleep on this one. And get this. All of it comes with a soft pull pre-qualification. You don't take a hard pull or a hard inquiry hit.
Okay, so hold on. Are you saying Alliant doesn't require a certain employee to join?
Yes.
They pay you more interest than Navy Federal.
Yes.
And also for my credit nerds, they still pull TransUnion, so that's about the same.
Okay, Marvin. Yeah, I'm saying it. Okay. So comment ready if you're opening up an account today. But before we get to the third credit union, have you ever been turned away from a credit union because you didn't live in a certain state,
right,
or work for a certain company? Well, this next one is built for you.
All right, guys, it's unique and I actually like it. This is Four Leaf Credit Union, formerly known as Bethpage Federal. And this one solves all three problems at once.
How do you join Four Leaf, Marv?
All right, Gloria, you open up a membership savings account with $5, just like the rest of them.
Okay.
That's your membership fee. No association, no employer, no government job, no geographic restriction, just $5 and you're in. Anyone in the whole country can join.
That's it?
That's it. You're in, you're a member, and now you can look at their products.
Okay, so what I want to know, what is the credit card limit?
Up to $50,000 on their Visa signature card. No annual fee, and here's the kicker. They do a soft pull pre-qualification. They're not running hard inquiries, and again, guys, they pull TransUnion. They're looking at your bank statements and your ability to pay back, so be prepared to have docs.
Okay, so run it and tell me what are the personal loan products they have.
All right, we're talking about checking account with no monthly fees, savings account. They're competitive on rates. Look, the personal loans go up to $50,000. That's right. Personal loan, not just a credit card. You can borrow $50,000 as a lump sum at a fixed rate. A personal line of credit up to $20,000 revolving.
Wow.
And they have something that Navy Federal doesn't. A savings secured loan. You put money in savings, they lend you against it, you rebuild your credit while you borrow. So if you got issues with your credit, you definitely want to look at that savings secured.
So what you're saying, if someone's credit is really damaged, Marvin, they can use the savings secure loan and get a soft pull to rebuild without even taking a hard inquiry to continue to damage their credit?
Exactly. And the whole thing, membership, card application, loan application happens online by phone. No branch visits required. Look, you can do this today if you want it.
Okay, so if Navy Federal has been dragging its feet on your credit limit increases, which they do, Four Leaf is approving the same profile with higher limits. Drop a comment below and tell me, how long did Navy take to raise your limits?
And keep in mind, guys, we're reading every single one of those comments and making replies. Real talk. If you're sitting there right now thinking, I don't have military background, so Navy Federal won't even look at me, these three credit unions operate on a completely different system. So don't hesitate and don't be caught up on Navy Federal.
Exactly. So what we're saying is no military requirements, no employer requirements, and guess what? No state requirements.
All right, Gloria, let's put this side by side. Navy Federal requires military affiliation. These three don't. Navy Federal runs hard inquiries to get you qualified. These start with soft pulls.
Okay, so what we're saying is Navy Federal checking account earns almost nothing.
Right.
Alliant pays you 3.5%. Cash flow changer. Navy Federal's personal loan APR starts at 8%, which is high. For a Leaf starts at 6%. Okay. Connexus doesn't charge you to apply because it's a soft pull process, money magnets.
That's right. And the limits, Navy Federal caps you at what they think you deserve now. Back in the day, they used to be generous. These three will give you up to $50,000 for qualified applicants. And qualified means a lot less strict than Navy Federal thinks. And make sure, guys, if you can, have your payroll or your pay stubs ready.
Here's the thing nobody's talking about.
Navy
is built for government employees or military. If you're not that person, you're getting second-class treatment. These three were built for regular people like you and I, self-employed, gig workers, people with spotty credit, people who got locked out of geographic restrictions. But first, if you're a business owner or you're thinking about starting one, there's a business strategy call we can do for anyone with a 700 score or higher. We look at your situation. We map out an exact funding path to get you 6 figures, money magnets, 700 credit score and up only. Okay, so keep that in mind. Below that, keep watching this video. The next one we're going to drop is going to be the perfect one for you.
All right, the call link is in the description. Limited spots every week. Look,
Yes.
700 credit score minimum. No exceptions. We won't take the call. If you're below 700, don't waste your time applying. All right, guys, look right here. We found 4 lenders giving any LLC $250,000 with
Yes.
just the EIN. No hard pull. This video drops Thursday, guys. If you're a business owner and you need capital, this one is mandatory to watch. And remember, let's get to the money.
And we're here to help empower your finances.